This is really a thrill to be with my daughter, Marcia, because I used to work 6 days a week. I was never home. I was a welder, and I travel out, and sometimes I don't get home until Saturday evening, and I hardly used to see my daughters, and man, after I retire, I said, well then, I got to change my life up. I got to find a way that we can be together most of the time. Now I choose us to go down to Florida because I like the warm climate. I am from the island of Jamaica, and I had my mom and my dad. My dad was a carpenter. He was a builder. He used to build churches, he built school, he was a builder. And then after a while, we decided to take off and went to England because I wanted to go to better school, and England had the real good, especially technical school. So my parents took off, went to England, and eventually they sent, I have a sister, and they sent for the both of us to come to England so that we could go to better schooling, and things like that. And I'm most proud of my daughters. I was able to bring them up in a good environment, and I was very serious with them, and they never go astray. I don't think I have too many regrets, because I'm happy the way how they came out, how they grew up, and I never have a problem with them because they know I was a serious man. So I never really have any problem with them, and I'm proud of them. But just right up my alley because where I'm living, the window is there, and I see the birds them in the morning. They come up, and they're on the windowsill, and I look out there and I see them. Man, it made me feel so different, because I'm a bird man. When I was in Connecticut, it was the same thing. I always have the birds them. As soon as daylight, they would be hanging around the window, hanging around the trees, so it gave me a sense of being wanted,
I can only imagine when all I would do is forever worship you. I can only imagine.